The bomb cyclone has reached Europe. Right now, a snowstorm is raging in several countries. Scenes of snow chaos in Italy, Spain, France, and other countries are shocking. Snow completely covers entire cities. Now you will see the shocking footage that eyewitnesses share on social networks. Italy was captured by the Arctic polar vortex. Much of the Italian peninsula is hit by snow, freezing rain, hail, and gale-force winds. Many affected areas were left without electricity. A major state highway was closed due to a landslide in Avellino, east of Naples. Many houses of local residents were completely covered with snow. The roads had to be cleared of snow for a very long time, but in this case, it was still possible to get to most of the settlements. When the wind died down, the children could play in the snow, but by then, the blizzard had already caused massive damage. In some places, the layer of snow reached 20 meters. Sometimes snow pleases us, but if there is too much of it, it's a big problem. And in these frames, you see the consequences of the storm Gerard, which swept over the northern regions of France.
Spinny. Mein Gott.
Huge snow masses, driven by powerful gusts of wind, moved across the territory and blocked several roads. Northern Spain was hit by heavy snow and strong winds due to the Fian storm. Simultaneously with this storm, Storm Gerard also raged across the country. Despite the difficult situation, the Spaniards did not lose their sense of humor and sculpted the most incredible figures from the snow.
Toda una escultura. Toda una escultura. Toda una escultura.
Many provinces in central Spain and almost all of Valencia have been given code yellow due to strong winds. Code orange and yellow apply to Aragon and Catalonia due to snowfall.
Pues ahí empezaban a vacunar.
But in Switzerland, the locals rejoice in the snow. Due to climate change and ski resorts in the Alps, locals and tourists have had to wait a long time for snow. But now there is a lot of snow, so now you can go skiing. Weather experts expect up to 70 centimeters of new snow in the Swiss Alps in the coming days, and possibly even more.
Toda una escultura. Toda una escultura. Toda una escultura. Toda una escultura. Toda una escultura.